I used to waste the first hour of my workday just by staring at my screen. Then I started a simple 10-minute planning habit and it completely changed how I start my work today, especially on days I feel creatively stuck. Every morning used to feel the same. I would open my laptop, stare at Figma, then Slack, then Notion, and 30 minutes would go by, sometimes even an hour. I wasn't lazy, I wasn't lacking ideas, but I was overwhelmed. Too many screens, too many designs, and too many decisions to make. Apart from this, I had to focus on design feedbacks, usability concerns, deadlines, all competing for my attention. And the harder I tried to just start designing, the harder it became. So one day, instead of forcing myself to design, I just gave myself 10 minutes. These 10 minutes were not for design, not to open Figma and start working, but to plan. I wrote down everything floating in my mind, picked one UI/UX problem that actually mattered today, and defined the next tiny actions, not full of solutions, but just the first move. This works because it removes the hardest part of the design work, and it is to decide what to work on. Most UI/UX designers don't struggle with skill, but they struggle with clarity. When your brain has one clear decision goal and one small next step, resistance drops, momentum starts, and Figma stops feeling heavy. I do this inside a simple Notion template, nothing fancy, just a space to unload thoughts, choose one priority for the day, and define the next actions. You can find the link in the description box for this Notion template. Here is exactly what I do every day in the first 10 minutes. First 1 to 3 minutes, write down everything that pulls your attention: tasks, messages, feedbacks, half finished ideas. Don't organize them, just dump it out. The next 4 to 6 minutes, circle one thing that would make today a win if it is accomplished, not the whole project. For example, create one usable wireframe set, decide the layout direction, or complete a pending logo design. The final 7 to 10 minutes, write the smallest possible next action. For example, start designing the screens from the wireframe or define brand mockups from the logo designs that you just did for this task. Always make sure to keep just 3 to 4 tasks in a day that you can accomplish and feel that you have completed something. 10 minutes of planning does not slow down your design process. It saves hours of staring at an empty screen or canvas. Once the momentum is created, the myth of waiting for inspiration disappears. Clarity replaces hesitation, and the design becomes easier to begin every single day. For more such simple tips and plans, stay tuned to Coder's Column Design Studio. This is Dolly Solanki signing off.